Hello friends, welcome to HiTech Talk. Today I'm going to talk about a secret feature of Instagram. I think many of us know this feature, but who don't know, I will show you today a secret feature on Instagram. So let me go ahead and quickly open Instagram. So here is this Instagram. We will go to the camera icon like the Instagram stories. So this is the place wherein we upload the Instagram stories. So in stories we will go to filters on the right side. You can see a lot of filters are there already. So what we need to do is that we will just go at the end. There are a lot of filters. Okay, so here it is. You are able to see now browse more effects. So we will click on this. So here is the secret feature. Like there are a lot of effects on this for your Instagram stories. There are a lot many. It's not that one or 10 or 100. I believe there are thousands and thousands of effects on this particular point. So like if anyone wants it a very normal and simple type of effects, I believe camera style is the best for this. So you need to click on this camera style, like whichever style you want, like the retro look or the portrait look. You see this, you need to scroll down and there are many effects on this place. So let's go back. If anyone wants funny effects, you see this funny over here. You click on it and you get all the funny effects over here. So this is how you can get this secret feature on Instagram, like the effects for Instagram stories. I hope you all like this video. Uh, if you all like this video, please like the video. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe our channel HiTech Talk. And if you still don't follow us on Instagram, you can follow us on Instagram at Point Romance. That's our uh, page on Instagram. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day. Bye.